Techno Industrial Products offers SK series pneumatic knockers. All the models from SK30 to SK100 are manufactured as per ATX standard, and have die casting body of aluminum, and necessary attachments also provided with them, especially the safety rope. As we can see, there is a strong magnetic force magnet inside the air hammer head. And the magnetic hammer head is closely attached to the magnetic substrate before the action. When the air inlet pressure is greater than the magnetic force, the magnetic hammer is separated from the substrate at high speed and impacts to the bottom. After air exhausted, the hammer head returns to its initial position with the help of a spring. Variable impact force and interval, large impact, low noise, easy installation. Can be used up to 120 degrees Celsius. These knockers are widely used in glass factory, metallurgical plants, food factory, cement factory, pharmaceutical factory, plastic industry and much more you can think of. Now we are seeing the working of knockers simply. When we provide air they can knock any surface. The impact force of the air hammer is transmitted to the pipe or the wall of the barrel, so that the material can flow smoothly. Thanks for watching.